Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2009 Yamaha FJR1300. This is the one with the automatic clutch. Just shift with your foot or your hand. Fantastic condition. Only 6,400 miles on this gorgeous, I don't know, it's like a dark gray titanium, locking side cases. It's got a luggage rack on there. Fantastic condition. Center stand, frame sliders. Make your super sport touring dreams come true. This beautiful FJR 1300, price to sell at just $69.90. It's got adjustable windscreen, electric start. Bike is ready to go on that long distance tour. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.